Hi guys, thank you guys for stopping by once again. So today I'm going to be planting up some white wands Veronica. Now I already have some Veronicas in my garden that are pink and some are blue, and they come back every year. They've been in my garden for about 3 years now. They are very reliable. So today I got my hands on some white ones. I only bought 3. I like to buy in odd numbers, so I'm starting with 3 and then I'll go from there. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and show you guys the plants, what they look like, because guys, they are just something to talk about. They attract butterflies as well, and I think bees. I've seen a couple bees flying around on my Veronicas. And I'm going to show you guys my herbaceous border where I'm going to be popping these beside one of my quickfire hydrangeas. I'm super excited, so let's get started. Oh, and another thing guys, if you see me in the same thing in the next couple videos, it's because I'm pre-recording some videos to upload so I can stay consistent. It's a little bit hard for me right now. I'm just trying to work YouTube into my schedule, because normally I'll just go out in my garden and I'll just do whatever, but then I gotta say, okay, if I'm uploading videos, I have to find time to record and edit and upload, and yeah. Okay guys, here are the Magic Show White Wands Veronica. Look at these blooms guys. They are beautiful and they bloom white. Like, I'm just so excited. I'm so ready to get them in the ground. They attract butterflies, and I've seen a lot of them floating around, flying around my garden. I love butterflies in my garden. I love bees. The only thing I haven't seen yet are hummingbirds. I'm working on that. Now, here's the tag. Hope you guys can see. Focus. There we go. These are perennial. They grow about 14 to 16 inches tall and wide. They take full sun to part sun. And this is a tag. This is all the information you need on the back right here. You can look it up on your website as well, provenwinners.com. I love this brand. Okay guys, let me show you where I'm going to put these and then we can get them in the ground. Alright guys, this is where I'm going to put them. I'm going to put 3 of them right here guys. Now the rest of the bed, I'm working on it. This is my quickfire hydrangea. It is filled with blooms, getting ready to bloom. And I can't wait. Excuse my shadow. The sun is out directly behind me. So this is where they're going to go. The rest of the bed, I'm working on it. It needs to be weeded and mulch. But I'm trying to get it done between today and tomorrow. Alright guys, so let's get planted. Oh my god guys, it's so root bounded. Look at this. So I'm just going to rough it up a little bit just to loosen it up. I have 3 planted right here, so I'm gonna water them in. They're looking a little bit thirsty right now. The sun is beaming. So these are the white ones, Veronica. Actually, just to be correct, let me read the tag. So these are the Magic Show White Wands Veronica. They are perennial. They are full sun to part sun. They grow 14 to 16 inches in width and in height. So they bloom early summer into midsummer and probably all the way through fall. So maybe after their second flush of blooms, you might want to cut them back and maybe they might produce a third. So it all depends. In the hole, I'll put my starter fertilizer, which is Biotone, that I'll always use, and now I'm going to water them in and put some mulch around the base. Now the rest of the bed needs some work, which I'll be working on. I'll try to finish working on that for the rest of the evening until the sun sets, and then I'm just going to call it a day. So once again, guys, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and click that subscription button, like the video, and comment. See you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.